a miraculous things. I'm gonna say I'm in village, and in villages people are so obsessed, so much motivated to get government job. Hey everyone, welcome to English with English. Thank you so much for coming once again on this channel to learn English clearly, effectively and confidently. Become a effortless speaker and too much fluent as well. The most important part of my YouTube, I give you a tips where you can learn at your home. No need to go any coachings, classes or any kind of just academy or schools to speak English effectively. What I all want from you guys, just hit the bell icon, subscribe my YouTube channel and be part of my YouTube family. Today is the great content I will share from my life as a farmer, how I overcome this fear of speaking English, how I just think in this language, how I just feel while living in farm and a kind of just village where I live. Here live over 1500 people and I found nobody speak this language. I'm a single person who is trying to learn this language and to speak clearly and confidently. So just I will say my one incident where you will get too much motivations and real feelings as well in your life. Okay, so when I get graduated and I wanted to learn this language, that was really horrible. How should I tell you, even though sometimes I do not feel how to just overcome this anxiety. The English learning was really impossible for me. Now for you might be, but for me it was. When I was a graduated people, or kind of people who wanted to learn, who had dream to speak, but I was unknown a persons. I was unable to think, I was unable to take decisions. Why I am learning this language? Why actually? If this why is also with you, you are thinking why to learn. Okay, so there's plenty of things, a lot of things to just why to learn this language. A lot of things. Let's talk about these things, why to learn. Because when I started 3 years ago, from beginning, from zero to hero, okay, I had no any kind of vision to learn. I started, I was keep moving. Now my journey is still now here. I don't know where I will go as well, okay, but I'm moving in. So I will tell you, a friend, without destinations, if you're moving somewhere, without target, if you're moving somewhere, that journey would be so frustrating, so much difficult and so much boring, demotivating as well. And you will sometime not reach, and if you will reach, so you will reach so fast. So I will highly request you and just tell you, just make a small target to learn this language. Why you are trying to learn this language? Because of why you are trying to learn. Make this. I struggled 3 years, now I'm here again. I'm also trying to improve myself more here. But After learning this language, what I'm getting now are plenty of confidence to face anyone in my life. Whether they will speak English or Hindi, I can reply them. And a lot of appreciations as well. Appreciations of my village people, appreciations of my religions, appreciations of my family, appreciations of my relatives, appreciation from my friend. I'm also getting these things. Without reason moving in this language to learn, I'm getting now these things. And you know, after speaking, after knowing some knowledge about that, after making this YouTube channel, I am getting this language is so useful and are too much great teacher. Even though some of my also teacher, they do not believe me. I am the persons who was studying from him. Okay, so he also appreciated with me. They also admire me. They also just happy with my effort. So you can also get it. And most importantly, you know, as a farmer, I was thinking my life would be farmer forever, entire life. But now, you know what is going on here now? Just I got 4 schools, 4 colleges to teach a student 5 to 12th class, and they was giving me handsome salary. Still I'm doing farming. I got those things. I never expected I can be teacher of English and I'll be good teacher. So I got that opportunity, and after this opportunity I got 2 opportunity as well to teach in coachings. There was also respectable salary, but I got that things. And you know, I have also one vikalp I have actually, where I can just train people how to speak in this world, how to face people, how to just become extrovert person, a fearless person, effortless persons to speak this language. This opportunity also I have in my life. I can start from it. And just, you know, when I get a lot of courage and encouragement and a lot of guts there in my life, when I meet a teachers who just applause me and they ask me how to learn this language, from where to learn this language, I really feel good. So guys, you know, just I have said my small offer, a benefit of this language. So if you are just, I don't know actually what opportunity I'm going to get in future, what other opportunity will come in my life after this language. But in this video I wanna tell you, if I get this kind of opportunity, who live in villages, here in rural areas, so what will happen with you? But it took me a lot of year, 2, 3, 4 years, because you know why? I am wondering, I am just walking, I'm just learning this language with no purpose, with no intentions. So make a purpose why you are learning. If you'll make purpose, you'll move with this language. You know what will happen? You will always get excitement, a motivations, a energy, a lot of power, a dare, and you can just learn too fastly as well. You can't just, you will not take, I think, 2-3 years It could be in 1 year better English, it could be 6 months in better English, but you need proper guidance how to do this language, So I am guiding you how you have to do, because while doing these things I have invested a lot of times, and after investing a time I'm here with you and I can guide you. When I started, I found no more guidance, no more people suggestions. Then it took me a lot of year, a miraculous things I'm gonna say you now. I'm in village, and in villages people are so obsessed, so much motivated to get government job, know any kind of English language, etc. And they don't want to kill these things to just learn this language. But I will tell you, whatever you were chasing, just learn this language. You will feel miraculous. Why? Because as a farmer here in my village, if I don't know this language, I cannot convey my message to you. I cannot motivate you, because you guys do not understand Hindi. So how can I convey my message to you? Nowadays, on today, from my 4 year, I have talked 5,000 more or 10,000 more people who come from other country, who come from other cities of India, who don't know Hindi. So how it is possible? Because of this language. So if you want to explore yourselves, if you want to just say your thought in the world, you want to just talk about many kind of people, so you will learn this language, you will do more far better. So I will really recommend you, if you are qualified in schools, you have stopped this study, you are learning, you are studying, you're learning something, so learn this language simultaneously. And when you will learn, you will explain yourself, you will just extend yourselves in your life with somebody else, and you will seem to be like too much educated as well, too much literal people you are. So learn this language, that will give you a lot of help. And I was about to tell you something special of my life. What was that before? When I started learning this language, a lot of friends, they run away from my side, from my company. They do not like my enjoyment, my process, okay? And a lot of they just criticized me, and they were saying that he's being mad, etc. He's going to be morally, he's going to be something bad, okay? He's going to lose their, I think, that intellectual power, just many kind of thing. Do you know what is the things now they're talking? They are also telling me, I want to learn your language. How do you learn? Tell me the basic techniques. Why? Because they're stucking down in companies. They're going somewhere, IT companies, they're going somewhere else. Even somebody got government job, and on their government job they're talking entire day their mother language. And if they got some people who speak this language, they feel embarrassment and they just want to also speak with them, okay? So they ask me, and the fundamental way of learning this language. And their parents are, they're actually parents of my friend parents. They have nephews, niece, their small brother, small sister in my villages, and their fathers, their mothers. Nowadays the era is going to be English medium schools. Already, if you are Indian here, a lot of people are there too much excited to just send their student in English medium schools. And so people of villages, they do not understand English, neither they read more better, now their speaking is very very far from their life. Now they can just write well. So they request me just teach them about reading, about writing, about speaking, about just understanding. And to be honest to you, I accepted those things from far from my jealousy, any kind of badness. I'm teaching some student at my villages because of this language. So today just I wanted to just tell you in my video the impact of English, the benefit of English. I'm not telling that we must be anti-Hindi, anti-Indian. I think that very kind of languages. No, I want to tell that there is plenty of opportunities I get in my life. Even though I'm not living in city, I'm not thinking about to go any kind of city as well. But there's plenty of things you can get it, and you can learn it too much easily, my dear friend. Too much easily with small tricks. I will never recommend you to go any kind of coaching class, go any kind of academy, hire any kind of teacher or tutor in your life to learn this language, to invest many kind of money. No, I also do not say that go on social media, spend some money, buy some subscriptions and just get feedback, etc. Not at all actually. But some basic and some small kind of activities you can follow in your life, and while following those activities, why you can say that just keep some consistency as well as some discipline in your life, and move every single day, enjoy it, and you can learn it very easily. Like I have saw in my life today, I saw, and before I saw in my life, a lot of people who's shopkeeper, they are selling their product, and while sitting they are just taking rest, doing nothing. So I will just tell you, use your mobile phone, read some sentences, speak some sentences, and be curious. Many people I saw that they gossiping by somebody without reason, so you do not to do these things. Okay, just you have to read some sentences from your mind and be curious to learn this language, and hope so this language will change your life, how it changed myself, and how it gave me a lot of opportunity to just get some opportunity and train them people, become professional as a farmer, and interact with many kind of other countries people, other cities people, other languages people. And you can also do that too much easily how I do with you. Okay, now with you, with myself. So just this is my video for today, and hope so you will like this video and you will subscribe this video. You will be with me, and I can also tell you many kind of benefit and tricks and tips how to learn this language from your home, and you can become a great speaker of your life. So this is my video for today. Thank you so much, my dear friend, and my favorite loving YouTube family, and take care of yourselves. I'll tell you here goodbye.